So hello all, today we are going to use Webplot Digitalizer for extracting our data from graph. So now you can search on Google for data extraction from graph. So now here we get our first site, which is Webplot Digitalizer. You can launch this site on your browser, or you can also download this software for desktop, Mac or Linux. So we are going to launch this. So here we need to load our image. You can just move your image from your folder, and here we have our image. Here we also have other option, which is load image. You can also use this. So now we need to choose our plot type. So we have 2D XY plot, so we are going to choose this and say align axis. So now we need to select our points on X and Y axis. So let's say proceed. Now let's click on our points that we want on X axis and Y axis. When you are selecting points, then that shows here by zooming your selection point. So here you can see how you can selecting these points, and you can select perfectly by using this option. Now let's say complete. Now we need to give some input. Here you need to give your selected values from X axis and Y axis. So we have on X axis first point is -10, second point is 15. On Y axis we have first point is -20 and second point is 35. So now let's say OK. So now here we have two methods of extraction. One is manual extraction and second is automatic extraction. So now here we are going to continue with manual extraction. So now you can click on add points. To add your points on curve, you can select this option and you can add directly manually points on your curve. So now here we have data. Let's click on close. So here we can also use delete point option to delete that points. So now we are going to use automatic extraction, because manual extraction is very complex process. First you need to select area of curve. So now here we have box option. Let's select this and select our area on curve. Now we are going to use pen. You can also manage width of your pen from this width option, and you can also use eraser like this, and you also manage width of your eraser from width option. Pen again like that. You can select area of your curve. So we're done with it. Now let's go to eraser and erase some extra part. Now let's go to color. Here they given some default selected color from software. So if you don't have your curves color in that option, so you can use color picker and pick your color from this option. So like this, I'm going to pick my curves color, and you can also manage the resolution of color using RGB, means red, green, blue, and let's say OK. Now let's click on color filter. Now here we don't see clearly our curve. It is not taking only plots, so now we need to specify it as background color. Now it is taking clearly. So now here we have option of distance, so let's change and see it. So I made it to 100. So now it looks good. Now here we have algorithm types as shown here. We have averaging window, X step versus interpolation, X step, custom independent, blob, director, histogram. So now we are going to use averaging window. So let's take delta x and delta y values as default and let's run it. So let's click on view data. So here we have our data. Now let's click on close, and now let's change delta x and delta y value because I want more points on this curve. So now we have more points comparative to previous. So let's click on view data. So here we have data. You can also copy this data, and you can also use graph in plotly option, and here we have copy to clipboard. And now we want CSV file, so we are going to download it. Now let's open our CSV file. So here we have our data. We have nearly 84 data points, so this option is very good to extract our data from the graph.